Awesome. By the way, we already started.
Damn.
Man, I'm very far behind on recording. Lap 3 Deluxe just released. It's bugged. Awesome.
A little bit, not like game.
It's playable, but I need to record simple things now. So,
it's playable.
There's
There's
only
only.
of this game.
It's playable. There's only a few things that need to be, you know. But hey,
we speedrun this, and then we win the game.
I still feel like a little bit bad for like some bugs.
do not.
If you feel bad, I will kill your family.
Damn.
Stop feeling bad now.
Especially like the crown, like.
Man. Logs. ELM had the exact same bug.
True. Literally ELM.
So do not feel bad about yourself.
But like then again, why do they give the guy with like a heavy time constraint? Why do they put that guy in charge of the crown?
Can we all comment on this video that Logs is goated for getting Lap 3 Deluxe
maybe
out?
that's
Yes.
a little too prideful.
I mean,
You are the
hey,
main
deserve
reason
it.
this mod released.
You're the main reason. Yeah, bro, you've done a lot.
If you say so.
My guy.
Bro's noise smoking in that image.
What
Fuck that
image?
joke.
Oh.
I'm choking to death.
Yeah.
Fuck. I swallowed water wrong.
No, you're just noise smoking.
But as I was saying, man, Logs. You did ELMDY and now Lap 3 Deluxe, man.
If I beat them both first try, that means I don't have to edit this video. Yay!
What about the edit? What about the dogfish?
Kill yourself.
Damn.
Man.
Normal P rank's just fine.
Normal P rank will do the job. And I know these videos won't do well because the fact that this is going to be coming off of the Lap 10 Encore series, but I don't care.
Yes.
We're just having fun.
I get to chill and not think about the videos that I have to post on the approaching Christmas time. Because those videos are not even close to done and I have to finish them before Christmas. Oh crap. Me when I'm on winter break and I'm still feeling stressed.
Ugh.
I almost missed that. There's P rank.
Yeah. You know, speaking of the Pogfish, sometimes I want to incorporate the Pogfish into my editing style as well at some points for like a brief second, and then go back to have it like fade out and go back to what normally is. But I feel like I'd be terrible at animating that. Special thanks to me for editing the bangs.
E.
So now we got this goated song. This song makes me hit the dial-it. But like no, but you understand. You'll understand when you understand though.
Understand what?
And that's it.
Nice.
I feel like that was slightly delayed, but whatever. Perfect combo of 100. That's insane.
Nice.
All right, and we're okay. We get to hear it.
Did I say V1?
No.
No.
Okay. I'm being schizophrenic again.
We have one more level to do because of the fact that I want to actually have, yeah. Holy crap, I'm doing more than one level per video? That's insane.
Couldn't be me. Just disregard the memories of ELMDY Lap mod video I made.
See, I didn't
And
have
also,
any memories with it. I just kind of blazed through it. Because I was using it just to post videos. Oh, right, my video is premiering right now. Right, I should probably be looking at that. I'm not. I think it's actually,
Ow.
I think it's on the winning attempt right now.
No, it's on the second winning attempt.
That's not how that works.
What do you mean? You have only one failing attempt and a billion other, like, winning attempts.
Ah!
Oh no.
Man, now I have to edit. All right, I'm gonna do a cut here because I need to see what's happening on my own Premiere. I forgot about it. Man, kill yourself. Anyways, we're recording again. Hi, Premiere. Awesome. Kill it. That's insane.
I'll do it tomorrow, MFs, when tomorrow finally comes.
Ow.
Real. That's real though. At yourself if that's you. In the description. Ping a friend.
Now,
Shout.
forget the question of the day of the Pepperbot video was, what's your favorite match?
Shout slurs out your window at 3 a.m. Whatever slur you're allowed to say.
Crap, I need to come up with.
We don't want you saying. We don't want you saying any slurs you're not allowed.
What's
to
your
say,
favorite
so
slur? That's the question today.
What's your favorite slur?
It's no, don't answer that, please.
Don't answer that. Don't answer that. It's gonna be the most banned comment section. The question of the day is what's a slur you can say? And you have a second one you can say, so another one. No, you can't say that one.
I keep pressing C! No!
You dumbass.
Shut up, I played Anton Blast for like 50 hours! Let's go. Let's go. Hold off enough door.
Do I post this in Prisoners No Context as well?
I'm scared. There's so many videos I need to have planned, and I don't have time to do many of them. Right, I need to do that. What else do I need to do? I should make a list. Because like last year, I want the last 3 videos to be special for last 5. With the last one being you know what. I don't know what the other 4 are gonna be.
Final lap, ELMWO. Maybe the Gauntlet, Lap 3 Deluxe. Oh yeah, Secrets of the World, Lap 3 Deluxe as well.
It's probably just much, the Gauntlet. Secrets of the World is the one video for Lap 3 Deluxe.
Damn. I'm not taking the easy route.
I'm back.
Did I ever
Hello.
Did I ever take the
More specifically, I am back in voice chat as I was just editing.
Ah, you're back talking.
In a sense, yeah.
Oh yeah, Chaos Lord. I can give you this song now.
What?
This is the Lap 3 Deluxe. Noise Lap 3. This is Noise Lap 3 from Lap 3 Deluxe. Take a listen.
Damn, I should have asked for it because no one gave me a birthday present.
Is that a reference or something? Anyways, moving on.
I feel
You should have asked for some bitches on your birthday, like, honestly.
No, sorry, that would be impossible. Sorry, even wishes can't grant that.
I wish for some bitches get shot. Yeah, but I wish to break the rules. I'm not.
I know you're not. It's just I get how people are mistaken that, but I'm just like it's a robot moving around.
Okay, yeah, those characters are correct, but just the just saying that.
I know the phrasing.
That's so fucking wrong.
That's number 5 on the first go. No. No, don't be a number 5.
We got the Special Guest Showdown V3, the Dial It song.
I didn't need it.
Like if you're 3, you're fine. 4, you're really pushing it. But like,
Where am I?
or 3, so am I.
Okay.
What is this conversation?
I just gotta hope this isn't the winning attempt.
Well, I'll make it be the winning attempt. It'll be funny.
This is ELM. It's not that hard.
Why are you doing it ELM again?
I need filler footage. I need filler videos.
Oh, well, perfect. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I just need filler videos. That's the only reason I'm doing it.
I see. Alright, proceed to say the end of a 500. No.
That's a little loud, but you know what? I'll take it.
That's where I can just download a music. Go drag on the hotfix music, and then I don't have to worry about where to put it.
Ah, what this hole? You crouched.
I think I'm gonna do something special with Lunatic. With the effects, I think I'm gonna be a bit different with it once I get to Lunatic. Nothing too crazy, but like I'm gonna
make a return.
No.
Damn. That shit was a one-time.
Yes. Yes and no. More so. Once I get to Lunatic, I'm gonna do something a bit different. You know, so I might have the fire too or not. I might try not to make the fire too crazy, though. I'm also make it not too crazy.
This song is also a dialect song, in my opinion.
Imagine I do war with you compared to
Is it bad that I don't know what that means?
Just look at the GIF in VC chat.
You're gonna give VC chat.
And you'll understand.
The timer is
I did
actually
this-
slightly stressing me out.
So my mom has a job. Well, no, just shut the fuck up. my mom had a Christmas party for her job. There was a dance floor, and I deadass did this dance. I actually did that. Yep.
You did.
There was no reaction.
You did.
I tried feeling it, but no.
Cass, you did dial it out of fucking.
I did the bottom right.
You did the dial it. You did this.
Yes.
Oh my god.
I also tried doing the other one. It goes like dant, dant, dant. But I didn't really do that too much.
Okay.
I don't know. I tried to be funny, but
I'm
nothing
sending you to
else.
Secret to the World.
I've been a
Yeah, later.
nasty girl.
Oh my.
I'm sending you to Secret to the World Lap 10 and blocking you.
I did a nasty girl.
Not a thing. Thankfully.
Honestly, thank God it's not.
I'm
Generally
editing. I'm
speaking
still at the
about
big
Lap
bad
10,
by the way.
since, by the time this video comes out, I will have finished the entire thing. Well, I already have, but you know, it'll actually upload it.
Damn. GG's.
And then as for this, well, I mean, I'm doing this for filler footage. I need videos so that I can meet the 25 video requirement thing. Because I'm already late on videos.
Calendar.
Thanks, finals and burnout. Love that.
Yeah. Question of the day.
We're not saying filler.
Question of the day. What's your favorite chaos edit?
Sure, why not? I'm gonna be honest, I didn't know you could just hold the up button.
For what?
For this.
Why are you still recording?
I don't know.
Press the end button already.